We're here at the Hyatt Place in West Amarillo, Texas, and we're going to take a full hotel room tour of room 312, a standard room with a king-size bed. Let's go in. And here's the entranceway and overview of the room. There's a bright recessed LED light right above us, and that top light switch there controls all the lights in the room and a few power outlets. And you can see there's a mirror. Now let's go into the bathroom. Very modern sink countertop and fixtures. And here's a test of the sink. And then over here you get two light switches, one's for the overhead light and this other one's for the mirror light. You also get a towel hook. And here unfortunately they still offer single-use toiletries. And then the hairdryer's beneath the sink. And here's a look at the shower. Shower's pretty spacious and they have the towel rack actually in the shower. But the shower head doesn't spray near it so your towels won't get wet. There's a look at the shower fixtures. Shower head's pretty high up. And overall the shower is very spacious. And there's the shower drain. And here's a test of the shower. So that's it for the bathroom. Now let's come out to the main part of the room. And there's a look at the seating area. Then to the right side of the almost useless divider is the king-size bed. Over here you get an L-shaped sofa. That's also a sofa sleeper. You get an ottoman. There's a small movable table. There's a wall thermostat that controls the central heating and cooling, which is pretty nice. There's a look at the vent. And then above the sofa you get a nice modern LED light. And then there's also some abstract artwork. And then over here is the built-in luggage area in lieu of a luggage stand. And below that are two drawers. And then here's an overview of the entertainment console and desk. You get a large 50-inch 4K LG TV with HD cable service. And they give you the full-size original remote for the television. They have the newer style cordless phone. Then you get two power outlets and two USB ports. On the left side of the desk is a desk lamp, and then below that's a cabinet that hides the mini fridge. There's a look in the mini fridge, no freezer compartment, and no microwave in this room. And then to the left's the coffee maker, ice bucket, assorted supplies, and you also get an in-room safe, which is pretty nice. Then behind this door you get the built-in closet. You get 8 regular coat hangers, they're pretty nice. They also have laundry service here for an additional fee, of course. And you get an iron and ironing board. And up top is the bedding for the sofa sleeper. And over here to the left behind this grate's a service panel to the HVAC unit. And then here's a look out the window. There are a bunch of hotel properties nearby. That's the Country Inn & Suites. And then over on the other side you have the True by Hilton, Comfort Suites, and then Interstate 40's on the bridge in the distance. Then straight ahead's an empty lot that another hotel can be built on. And here's a look at the window shades. They work pretty well, including the blackout shade. Then over here's the king-size bed, and you get tiny nightstands on both sides. You can see the nightstand's really small, barely holds the clock. And you get an LED light on both sides and open shelves. On the left nightstand you get 2 power outlets and 2 USB ports, same module that they had on the desk. And here's a closer look at the bedding. The sheets are pretty substantial. You get a top sheet, a comforter, a blanket. There's a better look into the small open shelf. And there's a look at the small divider that barely separates the two halves of the room. Overall, this was a good room for $118 a night in March 2022. So that's going to be it for this full hotel room tour at the Hyatt Place, Amarillo West. Thanks for watching everyone. Be sure to get subscribed and check out other videos on my channel. Videos related to the EV6 will be coming in the next week or so. And also some more driving videos.